To add new object, you can click Add Menu, or you can press Shift A to open Add Menu. As example, I will go to Mesh and insert the cylinder object. Now the cylinder will be appear in the 3D cursor. If you move the 3D cursor like in here, we can move the 3D cursor and add another object like can. The can will be appear in this 3D cursor. I will click again at this point for 3D cursor, and you can add new object like cylinder. The cylinder will be appear in this 3D cursor. You also can edit this cylinder by using properties. You can click at these icons, add cylinder dialog box in the bottom left. Like you can edit for vertex, and this is for radius, and this is for depth. If you click outside, it will be deselect the selected of the cylinder, and if you select the cylinder again, there are no properties option. To edit again the property of the cylinder, you need to delete and create new one. You can press delete button, and then you can add cylinder mesh. Now you can edit like vertex and click again outside. If you want to edit this can, you can select, and then you can move 3D cursor into this can. You can press Shift S, and then you can click cursor to select it. After it, you can delete the can object, and we create new can. Now we can edit the properties. In Blender, there are extra objects. You can go to Edit menu, click Preference, and then Get Extension. You can search in it for extra. Like I will install the extra mesh object, you can click install. So we waiting to install the add-ons into Blender. So you can click add-ons in it, and you can see the extra object is active. If you open again the add menu and go to mesh, there are extra objects like rock generator, single felt, round cube, torus, match, gear, and others. Like here, I will set into gear. So the gear will be automatically appear, and then you can edit the gear properties in this add gear dialog box.